Airtel and Jio 5G signal dropping or not coming in your Motorola smartphone. How you can fix it? Let's find out in this video, friends. So first, if you have not set your SIM, you have to set properly inside your smartphone. Then you can just click on this aeroplane mode for 10 seconds. It will refresh your internet connection and signals, so you have to just now turn it off simply. And let's go to the settings now. Here it's showing the this one, networks and internet. You have to tap on here. Now it will show you sims and mobile networks. Let's click on this one. Here it show you all the settings about this sim, so you have to tap on here. Enable this volt use LTE services to improve the voice calls. And you can enable this 5G internet preferred network. If you have selected 4G, of course it's uh, not showing that much speed of the internet you are wanting, so you can enable this also. Let's press back, and now you can just click on this search right here, reset options. Click on this reset options. Here it's showing you reset mobile network settings. Tap on here, just do it and click on it, and you can see network settings has been reset successfully, and now your signal will not drop, and this will fix your mobile internet problem. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching.